Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this program, in this video, we're going to discuss about how to make your first impression. First impression is really important on all the occasions while you are trying to elaborate yourself, you are presenting yourself in front of the peoples, you are trying to give intro in front of the intro, or you going to elaborate yourself in front of the different situation. So here in this video we'll discuss about how to make your first impression really well and what are the influences of their impressions towards the audience, towards the listeners, towards the general public, and where your first impressions make a different perception in the mind of the different peoples. So here we're going to discuss about how many minutes, how many seconds it takes to make your first impression. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, or 5 seconds. Or some people say it may be a first 10 seconds. When you are trying to present yourself, when you are trying to elaborate yourself, when you are trying to give different ideas to different people, how to make the perception. For example, if somebody asks you, tell me about yourself, and you start telling something in a first 3 seconds, people get the idea about you that you are perfect for this job or you're not capable for this job. You are perfect for this project or you are not capable for this project. So your few seconds in the start of your discussion, in the start of your orientation, in the start of your description, people's make the perceptions, people's get the idea about you. So here's a famous saying in which people say it, first impression is the last impressions, because most of the peoples when they make the first impression about you and they think that you are a really good person and later you do some mistakes, they just ignore it because you have make a really good impressions in their mind, you are really make good impression in their life. But on the other hand, if you have make some negative impression, if you are make some bad impression in the perception of other people, you try to create a lot of good things, but they don't trust on you because they think that you're not capable person and you will be not able to perform really well. So that's why we say the first impression is really important, because with the help of the first impressions you can achieve your achievement, you can achieve your target, you can achieve your project, and you will also be able to get promote yourself in different levels, you able to get the job at different institutions, at different organizations. So from this all the discussions we nutshell have concluded that your first impression is really important, because first impressions take 3 seconds. First second is elaborate yourself, second is to elevate yourself, and third is to demonstrate yourself. So first 3 seconds is really important, and in these 3 seconds if you try to explain yourself well, if you try to demonstrate yourself well, this will be a really good for yourself, this will be really good because you will be able to achieve many things through your first impression that you are create in the mind of the other peoples. And is something when you try to join some organization, when you try to join some meeting, when you try to join some project or some business place, they give you some sort of the orientation. So same like you also try to orientation yourself in front of the other peoples. If they ask you tell me yourself, if they ask you describe about yourself, if they ask you tell me about yourself or elaborate about yourself, so in the start of the first 3-4 minutes you should try to use your maximum powers, you try to use your maximum energy, or you try to use some accurate, correct and reliable word in the front of the people so that they able to make a really good perception about you, and you will be able to create a good impression in their brain, in their life, in the season. so that you're able to get achievement in your life. So we must say that through our discussion is first impression is our last impression, because through this first impression you can achieve many good things. So in the next video we'll bring some more tips and tricks about different learning techniques so that you guys will able to enjoy really well. So please subscribe my channels and share with your friends. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.